How can we save water, children? If there is any idea, you can write in the comment box. Okay? And do not put plastic garbage. This is very important, children. Okay? When you go to near beaches, it is very dangerous for our aquatic animals, aquatic plants. Okay? That is for the aquatic life. Be careful, children. Okay? Now our next topic is water cycle. Do you have any idea about the water cycle?
Now observe the water cycle, children. Okay, here there are many stages involved. Okay, so the first stage is evaporation. Okay, so evaporation is what happened here in the evaporation process. The heat of the sun falls on the surface of the water bodies like oceans, seas, lakes and rivers, etc. Okay. When the heat falls on the water, it changes. Okay, water slowly changes. Okay, and evaporate in the form of gas. Okay, as vapor into the air. Okay, the water slowly evaporate in the form of gas, in the form of vapor into the air. This process is known as evaporation. Now come to the second stage, condensation. In this process, the water vapors rise high. Okay, the cooler temperatures make them cool down. Okay, so here when the water vapor rises into the air, okay, the cooler temperatures make them cool, because when they evaporate from the surface of the water, they are little in warm, okay, conditions. So after cool them, turn back into liquid. What happened? When they become cool, when they are cool conditions, they again change to water. They again change to in liquid form. This phenomena, okay, this process is known as condensation. Okay, children, this process is known as condensation. Wind moves the liquid around. Okay, so the wind, what? Wind is always moving. Okay, wind is always moving around the liquid, around the water droplets. So what happened? Because of wind moving around the water droplets, they become solid. Okay, leading to the formation of cloud. They become cloud. Okay. Now you can pause the video and observe the water cycle, children. You will understand easily. Okay. The sun heats up the water from oceans. Okay, and water changes into water vapor. As they rises up into the air, they start cooling down, and the water droplets come together to form a clouds. Okay, when the water droplets start getting heavy and could not bear the water droplets anymore, so they fall down surface in the form of rain. When the water falls on the surface, they runs off into the oceans. Once again the sun starts heating up this water. Okay, this circulation of water is known as water cycle.